Unbelievable. Now I was having cookies, guys. Spies falling to the abyss. Oh my goodness. This had to happen at some point, didn't it? Had to happen at some point. 476 back to 470. It's the Christmas sell off. Do we call it the Christmas rally now or the Christmas sell off? Oh, Jameson, you didn't get into puts? Oh my goodness. I don't see anything here, honestly, other than like people securing some profits after a massive run west. Before we go into the holidays. Yeah. Breaking news. TIO. That was a long time ago, though. A long time ago. There we go. Hmm. It was from 1 penny to isn't that crazy? Isn't POL crazy from a dollar? From a dollar to $10 to $11? Huh. That's impressive. Yeah, we so I think when we left the stream, when Rob and I hopped off, we kind of sold off, but then we double bottomed instead at $3.30, and then took off. Right, the breakout. Yeah. Hmm. The market needed to go down though. That rubbish was way overextended. Overextended. Yeah, I was waiting for double bottom, and then I went to go get a snack. Stupid almonds. I went to go get a snack. When I came back, this thing had double bottomed already, and then boom skied. Like, see the level on the left hand side. This pivot on the left hand side. That was it, right? Bottom number one, explosion. Came back to the same stupid level twice, and I was eating almonds, and then the thing is gone. Unbelievable. Anyways, no. No. Uh, yeah, yeah. You're waiting for the sell off all week, Jameson. Yeah, and then it happened, and you missed it. Yeah. Yeah, Musty. I mean, if the market is selling off, AMC is going to the abyss. So, to snipe then the S&P crashed. Yeah, yeah. If you took some YOLO puts and you just kind of held them the entire day, you're very happy. $100 worth of puts. Dang. Yeah, no, POL is looking very good. POL is going for the highs again. Well, maybe not the high. It's not quite yet, but that candle pushed all the way to 960. Dang, that was a nice cross. Annoying. Dan, did you catch some puts or future shorts? Virus just made a $1 trillion. Oh yeah, actually, where's Virus? Where is Virus? My goodness. Yeah, I think he has a mountain of puts. He usually does. At the moment, yeah, he's in the forest, waiting for the phone call from the bank, saying, "Well, you own the bank now." Is thrusting naked. Yeah, he is. Are you gonna sell those things, Musty? You're up 100% on those puts. Are you selling? Oh my goodness! Look at that thing go 970 again. $10 resistance, but dang. Huh. I was running errands. I missed that whole flush. Yeah, yeah. Annoying, Dan. Oh well. Rest in monies. He's too busy counting the monies. Came out of nowhere today. No, it didn't. It was the top gainer today. Pole wasn't a play that was good job, Richard. Yeah, Pole was number one on the list this morning when we came on stream. Pole was number one, right? Pole did not come out of nowhere. Pole was all over Discord, all over the momentum scanner, all over the place. That thing was getting spammed every second. It was getting spammed, right? So every second that thing was getting spammed in that channel. So let me see, 780 to 850. Nice, good job, very nice. No, I want to delete that. All right, that's. I think this is the first two times it signaled in Discord poll. That was $2.18. Right, that's the first time it spammed, and then it just never stopped. And obviously, the damn thing pushed to 980 just now. So from $2 to $10, $11. Highs of the day 1085. That's impressive. I think Stefan made $20,000. Yeah, which is impressive. And then I think he went back in. So you can imagine Stefan celebrating today. Can you imagine? Mm-mm. Okay. Mm. Thrusting in peace. You're gonna watch it closely, AMC. Okay, yeah, not too bad. A few more names to look at. So PRZO actually. I was hoping this one would break above, just break the $1.30 level and just send it, but it really hasn't. It has not. For now, we seem to have a bit of support above $1.10 for PRZO, but other than that, it's just not doing anything. It doesn't it, Sky? Like pole moves really quickly, like up and down. Look how quickly we've gone from almost $10 to $8. So if you're not careful, that thing will slap you. Right, so impressive. AUVI has been another one that's done okay. Support at 225, but it's really not doing anything. Speaking of PRZO, we just pushed back to 120, so that's not too bad. Interesting. 121. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. The S&P just broke below 170 too. 170. Mm, 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 mm. If you made $20,000, Ham, yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Would be nice. Brush was another one. I think Alvin mentioned this one in Discord, but it's stalling at 1840, 1830. So maybe something to watch later. Get some new glasses. 470, yes, below 470. What did I say? 270? Anyways, 470 is is where the S&P is at. Is at Tycon hasn't done anything today except for pre-market. Sales is back to red, absolute rubbish. And yeah, so basically watching a POL and PRZO going into the close. Uh, they went from to $2.64, not seven. Wow, it's crazy. Now that you you got 365, no, that's amazing. It's still beautiful. That's amazing, Josh. Yeah, yeah, that's still very impressive. From point zero 0.01, like to $2 is impressive. Honestly, something going from point zero 0.01 to 20 cents, Josh, is impressive. Not to talk about 50 cents and then a dollar and then you know what I mean? So impressive. Yeah. To 470. Yeah. Impressive. Wow, wow, wow. No, 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 no. AMC is called what? Hmm. No, 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 no. Oh no, that's okay, Josh. That's okay. That's okay. 700%. Wow. It was you that asked. It was you that asked for the 1,000% today, wasn't it, Josh? Or for the holidays, right? Well, I mean, pretty damn close. 800%. Pretty damn close. Out of wow. Hello, Yi. Uh, what happened, Musty? Where? No, I missed that. Who made that much in Discord? I need to go look. It's been a busy afternoon. Busy, busy afternoon. Busy, busy. I told you. I didn't ask. I told you. Yeah, that's a very nice run. We might as well finish it. 800% is not good enough unless we do the rest tomorrow. So, just had a Fibo 520 alert go off. Oh wow. Okay, let me take a look. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Is that thing? That's not too bad, is it, Ham? See, this thing has struggled at 550 the entire time. So maybe, Ham. Maybe. I do like that it's been holding, finding ways to like reclaim $5. So if that thing can stay above $5 today, Ham, this might be the start of something actually. That's a nice alert. Yeah, I would reset the alert to 520. Yeah, 520 is a good alert. If we can clear that level and stay above it, Ham, that could be a nice swing. That could be a nice swing. Okay, I'm gonna we shall pay close attention to this one for a breakout. So if you go to the left hand side, there's that 520 level. I think we've tested 520 quite a few times on this one. So my alert actually, Ham, is you can see that white line at the top. My alert is at 545 because I wanted to see that thing break out above $5.50, right? Like the IPO day resistance, right? 550 for FIBO, but I'm gonna move it down to like 521 or something. If we can break above that level and show some momentum into the close, this could become a swing play. it could become a swing play. Like one of those IPOs. You don't touch on day one, but then as time goes on, if they can break out, very good. So the volume isn't the best though. See, that's another problem. But for now, I will leave it up. I will leave it up there. We failed at the 200 here for PRZO, so nothing to see. POL is still deciding which way it wants to go now. 475. So my goodness, wow. Should have held, yeah. $6 now. Oh my goodness, dang. Yeah, when you have big drops like this on the S&P, oof, can you imagine the monies? Can you imagine the monies? Mm, 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 mm. There you go. To stay fly, bought some BTBT $4 calls. January 19 expiration. Okay, nice. BTBT. I bet you those are cheaper now too. Exactly, Rob. So when Rob was on stream and we looked at the daily chart for for Paul, we talked about how much room that thing had to the upside, right? And it's interesting how it broke out and just said bye 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 bye. Jameson, I can imagine. I know that's annoying. That's annoying, especially when you know it's coming at some point. The dip is coming at some point. It's coming at some point. When we don't know because the market is really strong, but the market can't just keep going off forever, right? And then at some point it rock pulls, and then you miss the damn puts. Dang. What's big on the 1 minute, Musty? What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, so we failed at 520 for now. So, on watch. Time to start out. Well, maybe just like maybe the timing in the market. 640. Dang. No, maybe just the timing. Like when the market has been running for as much as it's been running, maybe no sleep. When like it's at a key level, right? So today puts are for winners, puts are for winners, puts are for winners, calls are for losers. LGMK just had some news. LGMK expands product suite with the launch of Freedom Alert Mini. Not sure what any of that means, but I guess they're expanding. 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 LGMK. So a bit of a pop on that news. A bit of a pop on that news. Let's see what happens. BRZO, just a slacker. Poll is still deciding. GMK, give it time to give you a direction. La 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 la. Yeah, Jamie said that's pretty frustrating. SXTP. I need to mute my Discord. These notifications are very annoying. SXTP. Place like this. Some consolidation. Yeah, it has just below 470. Looks like. Paul, scalpy of the day. Yeah. No. SPY. LGMK is actually creeping up a little bit now. The volume isn't the best though, but they have some news and it's slowly creeping up. Slowly creeping up. Let's see. My goodness, I'm starving today. Starving. Some calls for next week, and maybe Jameson needs to buy some calls too. Tesla is at 248. Dang, Tesla really got slapped. Gifts by the double bottom explosion. DTSS. I'm just gonna hold that bag, I guess. Sure. Let me take a look. DTSS. Data C. Yeah, this one just seems like one of those that that like has potential, Jameson. The volume just isn't there though. I bet you at some point the annoying thing about stuff like this, Jameson, is just you just never know when it's gonna go, right? You just never know. Like it looks nice. If it can stay above 18 to 17 cents, like it's been holding this level for 2 weeks now. It could potentially go at some point, but when? Also, it's a penny stock, right? If this was a larger cap stock, like $1, $2, not a large cap, but not a penny, not a micro penny stock, right? If this thing wasn't like at 19 cents and it was doing this, I would say this thing would squeeze at some point. But for now, it looks okay. If it can push above 20 cents, that would be fire. And just sit above 20 cents, that would be good. Like, it's not bad. You just don't know when it's going to go. Yeah. You just never know. It's one of those things where you sell it and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, now it's bumping without me. But how long does it take though? And why did you why did you slap me? Yep. LGMK is going back to the highs of the day, $1.22. Like honestly, again, like Jameson, if that thing was if DTSS was $1 and consolidating like that, I would say, yep, that thing is gonna send it at some point. But it's a stupid penny stock. PRZO is going to the abyss. Well, selling off. Selling off. Yeah, 365. They went to zero in the 40 cents on average. Yeah, the 450s. Yeah. Na, na, na. 'Nah. The good thing about PRZO is that it keeps bouncing above $1.10. That's the only good thing about that stock. But then again, the market closes in 20 minutes. So when is it going to pop? After hours, maybe? Weak sauce, maybe. Yeah. Nah, nah. Mm. 365%. Yeah, so Ham, I would reset that alert, by the way. Alrighty, so reset your alert, put it back for the same price, 520. Just keep resetting it. At some point, it's gonna have to break that level and go boom skis. The daily chart actually does look not too bad, except for the volume. The volume is absolute rubbish. But yeah, it's fighting though, so that's good. At least it's back above the IPO price. So I would just reset that. Yeah. Okay, there you go, Josh. Dan answered your question, Jameson. Double tops 122 LGMK. $1.11. Anyway, you made two deposits. You made deposits. Mm, mm. Nas. Na, na, na. Green is breaking down. Yeah, poll is flushing. Yeah, I mean, the there's 20 minutes left. So most people should be taking profits on these names, right? That's the danger of expecting rallies at the end of the day is people start selling, right? Are you trying the funded stuff, Jameson, or you're just going for you're just doing it on your own? I mean, so looks like Pole is bouncing up the 200 again, just like it did the last time he got there. So 740, 840. Well, I mean, unless you're scalping it, it should be unless you're scalping that thing and you're taking profits. You should have secured profits at some point, especially on that run up there to that supply zone, 980, 970. Oh yeah, you should be securing profits for sure, for sure. So maybe another rally after hours, but even then, you're much safer just waiting for after hours and then making a decision. You know, much safer. Pole, not pole. Fibo looks interesting, doesn't it? The only thing it's missing is we have a one-on-one tomorrow. You're not excited? Why? Why are you not excited? Why are you not excited? Yeah, no, Fibo looks interesting. The only thing that it's missing is the volume. It just doesn't have it, right? It's one of those IPOs from a month ago. It just has to break out. Just has to break out. So the reason why stuff like this looks interesting is so look at this chart for Fibo, and then look at a chart like just any other IPO that's done well. So BANL maybe. Let me go back to like the beginning because you have to almost go back to the beginning. So this one doesn't quite apply, but the whole idea is just the breakout, right? So that one broke out early on, so that doesn't really count. Ooh, I need some of these IPOs. Yo, Stuart. Ayo. We need some of these IPOs that have like broken out with consolidation. I need to go look at the IPO list then. Stuart, how are you? December. MSS maybe. I'll take a look. Let me look. No, no, no. MSS. No. Yeah, this one's kind of similar. Not the same. Not the same amount of. Not the same amounts of like consolidation though. But it's very similar. Like you're playing games for a long, 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 long time, and then eventually broke out, right? And then boom skis. That thing went from the abyss, $4 all the way to $23, which was a pretty nice breakout, and then straight back to the abyss. So made monies right after hanging out with you today. Don't give the market your monies. Give it to Blaze and become a goat. Let's go, Costa. Let's go. Thank you very much. Yeah, yeah. No, Costa and I had a really good one-on-one. Um, yeah, keep the monies coming in, right? So yeah, yeah. So if you're not a goats member yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Yeah, no, I really enjoyed the one-on-ones because you can kind of see someone. Um, Costa struggled a little bit initially, and yeah, so it's good to see the progress. We've had quite a few members actually with the one-on-ones do really well. So do really well, do really well. La 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 la. Yes, yes, yes. Goats, the goats. I'm still struggling, but I'm still learning, and you have measurable progress. No, that's all that matters. Yeah, that's all that matters. One small step at a time. 100%, Josh. Beautiful. Yeah, that's really all that matters. Just taking small steps in the right direction. Um, is really all you can ask for. BTBT does seem to have a bit of support there, Josh, at 338 ish. Slow stock, but yeah. NCL, what's your position, Vina? What's your position? You bought some at 250. Okay, so you bought some NCL at 350, $2.50. Why the hell are you still holding this thing? You bought it at 250 and you held it all the way down to $1.60. Why? Why? Do you not have a stop loss? You probably bought this thing in pre-market and then you diamond handed. You want to know what's crazy is take profits is $10 plus. Why are you asking me for help then? Your take profits is $10.50. You don't need my help. Okay, you're welcome, Costa. Thank you very much for the feedback. See you tomorrow. Keep crushing it. Low free floats doesn't matter though. If you're holding something from $2.50 to $1.60, and you're telling me that the float is low, then what? It doesn't mean you make monies though, right? You bought this thing right there. You bought this thing. You could not have picked a better entry. You could not have a worst entry, right? You were like, oh my goodness, this is the top. What's my opinion about it? My opinion doesn't matter because you diamond handed this thing to the bridge already. My opinion doesn't matter, right? So The only hope you have is that thing staying above $1.30, and then hopefully it rallies back up because it's crashed way too much, right? That thing went from from $17 to $1.30. So I mean, you would think that it could easily move back up. Um, yeah, hopefully moves back up quickly for you. That's a good entry. Well, I'm just saying, that looks like it does, Josh, doesn't it? No, I'm just saying, like, if you buy something, like, I feel like we preach this all the time on stream. If you're gonna buy something at $2.50, maybe have a. It doesn't matter what you think, right? Um, right. Let's look at this little bubble, right? Rule number 7. What do you see? Rule number 7: trade what you see, not what you think. You're clearly trading what you think, right? It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what I think, right? Trade what you see. If the stock is clearly breaking every support known to man and the aliens, don't go holding it, right? From $2.50. What happens to stop loss at $2.40? Maybe stop loss at 2.30. Maybe stop loss at $2. Nope, no stop loss. All the way to the abyss. You thought, but again, don't trade what you think. Trade what you see, right? If you think the low is $2 from yesterday, well, maybe set a stop loss at, so you know what I mean. So don't diamond hand stuff, please. I bet you some dude somewhere saw this thing at $10, at $5, at $4, at $3, at two, and they're like, oh my goodness, but I think it's gonna go back up. Well, nope. That thing kept crashing, right? So have a plan. Rule number 7, yeah. Don't trade what you think. Trade what you see, right? Trade what you see. Because I mean, you bought at $2.50, right? Okay, well, all-time lows for this stock was what, 270 yesterday? Okay, cool. But then this morning we opened and we just started going to the abyss, right? So hopefully now though it's found the base, and then from now on you can kind of rally, right? If I look at this stock, like if I show you this, right? If I show you this stock and I'm like, okay, close your eyes. Do you see darkness? Okay, good. Open your eyes. Do you see the lights? Okay, good. Now we're on the same page. If I ask you, hey, please, I'm gonna show you these candles, okay? Tell me the only time you would buy this stock. Keep looking. Do you see it yet? No. 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 Do you see it? You see Jesus? Do you see an entry yet, guys? No. It's clearly falling like a tomato, right? Do you see an entry? No. Do you see it? No. Do you see an entry? No. Do you see it? No. Do you see an entry? Ooh, maybe. It's holding something for the first time in 100 years. Oh, it's holding once. Okay. Oh, it's holding again. What's up with this level? That thing just went from $17 to $1.30, and that's the only time it's holding. Oh, 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 right? So, some type of support, before the resurrection, with never fall in love with you will go broke. What do you mean? Anyways, any entry for Acon? It's creeping up, but slow. Let me take a look. Yeah, just be careful though. We have 6 minutes left before the market closes already. 6 minutes. Acon. I'm locked up. Acon looks nice, doesn't it? But it's not exactly at the best spot, right? Look at the last few. Like right there, right there, right there, and right there. What do all those have in common? um, every time we got to like 35 cents we went back down, so maybe it's not the best spot for that, but it looks good, so you might want to wait for that thing to break out, and then if it can break and stay above that level, then that's a good thing. So it's like 35.50ish Richard, so maybe watch that level going into the close and after hours maybe for something. Yeah, BTC, yeah. BTC, I think we eventually closed above the. Obviously, doesn't help that the market went down today, but BTC's kind of held up better than the right? So yeah, yeah. So we closed above this resistance. So that 33.5. So we need to stay above that level on this next 4 hour candle. And then our next resistance is closer to 44.5 and 45, right? So all the way up there. So yeah, not bad. So daily candle closes. Yeah, lots of time on the daily one. These ones are the 4 hours, 4 hour candles. Vinay, do you read what you say before you say it? Parabolic. It did go parabolic, but it's not going parabolic anymore. Oh my goodness. Um, if it loses, what price do you say bye bye? You're in at 75 cents. Okay, let me look. Let's take a look ski. So EFSH 75 cents. You're green in that play for now. It looks like it pushed all the way to $1.30 and then came back down. It's off. So for now, I mean, your support is just around the 200. So I would say 70 cents. If we lose 70 cents, then you have a problem because then your next support is closer to 50 cents. Alrighty. So like, so 69, 60 to 70 cents. Hopefully it stays above that level. Also, I don't know if you would want to go red though. So then you might just have to pick a different level and set a stop loss. This is the first time. Never mind, never mind. It's because you're holding all those damn puts. All those damn puts, you know. Anyways, crazy poll. It would be fun if this thing rallied again after hours. It would be fun. Poll. 700% rally. Impressive. Uh on BTC, if you're trading, Josh, yeah, I agree. I agree. I do like looking at the 4 hour though. Crazy poll. PRZO has done a good job holding that 10, right? That $10 level, which isn't too bad, but super slow. 119 PRZO. Check out the 1 day chart. It's engulfing in the okay, let me take a look. Take a look ski. Yeah, the daily does look nicer than it's always annoying when I do those lines on the smaller time frame and then I bring it to the daily. That's why you want to do lines on the daily and then go down because otherwise your chart becomes a mess. I also need to switch those candles. Yeah, I can see what you're looking at, Josh. Like if you really zoom out, right? So yeah, if you zoom out and then you can see this as a handle. But again, either way, it does look really nice. Either way, we need to clear. If we break above this level, Bitcoin is gone skis. If we find a way to close that daily candle above 44, because I don't think we've actually closed above 44. Let me look. Switch to regular candles here. Okay, we have closed above once. Once. So if we can find ways to close above 44, so that candle has 3 hours left. Cool. Switch to candles. Close above 44, close above 42. Oh, we. Close above 45. Oh, we. Bitcoin is gone skis. Hey, yo, saying what happened? See you tomorrow. Oh, yeah. See you tomorrow, saying. Have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow. Just a higher low tomorrow would keep us moving up. Yeah. Yeah, no, the daily, when you look at the daily, it's progress for sure. It's progress and it's a lot of strength. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Ryan. Wow. 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 It's good to see you, Ryan. Oh my goodness. How have you been, Ryan? Ryan is I bet you Ryan has to be like the longest, well, one of the first people that I ever spoke to on YouTube's. Probably. Stranger danger. You remember Ryan? Virus? Of course you do. Yeah. Uh, Josh, I agree. I agree. I think the strength we see on BTC, even when the markets sell off, the way that it's coming back is very sassy. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's been a long time. To make some monies, Ryan. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. It's good to see you. Wow. Ryan has the most contagious laugh ever. So it looks like the market. Yeah, the market is closed. The market is closed. Dump it. Let me buy more. I mean, technically, we are sitting at resistance, Stewart. So even though it looks super strong, we are sitting at resistance. So if we did sell off on the again, you get to see that resistance though when you look at the 4 hour a lot more. So, right, we are technically sitting at resistance. The right there, we double topped, and then we're testing those levels today, and we're kind of struggling, right? So it looks very strong because it's trending up and you're getting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That's very nice, but it's still resistance. So let's go, Ryan. Uh, yeah, always pumped and happy. Yeah, Ryan was always pumped and happy. My goodness. And Ryan would buy all these coins, all these coins. He's like, "Are you in this coin?" And the damn thing was up 100%. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Okay, let's see if anything shows up after hours here with news. Some after hour news. Na, 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 na. Yes. -9% for Neo. Wow. Okay. Um, s- yeah, I would like to say that I'm getting better because I made more than I lost lately. But I think I was just in the right place at the right time. I mean, Jill, that's okay too. Being at the right place at the right time is good too. That's part of what success is sometimes. But also being at the right place at the right time is is something that comes from being ready, or doing the right things, or being a part of the right community, or studying, or seeing the right things because you've done like you know it's a lot more than that, right? So give yourself a little bit of credit. Please give yourself some credits, and also schedule those one-on-ones, and then yeah. Okay, let me make sure we don't miss any news here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. I was too pumped. I have a plan this time. Diamond hands 270. Right? Sounds good. Rule number one. Rule number two. Okay, I was waiting for rule number three. Every day that you're here is the right place at the exactly, Josh. Exactly. Exactly. So yeah, give yourself credit. Give yourself credit. Right. So, for example, I mean, if you got into POL today at $2, $3, $4, right? Well, uh, yes. Rule number three. Yes. If you got into POL today and POL exploded, There's no way of predicting that POL would have gone to $10, guys, right? From $2, right? But again, you could have easily got into POL at $2 from the momentum scanner, and then you diamond hand that thing, and you're like, yep, being at the right. But no, like you were in the right place at the right time by being in the right community, right? So anyways, yeah, POL is selling off there. Don't think that's a massive surprise. Lots of laughs. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. It's good to see you always. My goodness. Nah, 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 nah. Let's go. Are you just holding BTC now, Ryan, or are you holding anything else? Is Bitcoin? Solana? It's about to cross. So, so. Oh, it's so annoying. I hate having to switch from crypto to stocks or it not pulling up the right one. Oh yeah, it's so. Oh my goodness, that's close. That's very close, Josh. For Solana there, yeah, $80, 79, $80. Yeah, it's crossing already, actually, isn't it? Yup. Nice. That thing looks very bullish. You're holding AVAX in Bonk? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Bonk has been mentioned a few times in Discord, actually. Bonk. Look, look at the. I know, Josh. Isn't that impressive? I mean, did Solana see that the rest of the market was selling off today? That's impressive. 9x, Josh. I know. Josh was spamming this all over Vegas. Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. MGAM. Go back. Yeah. Solana. Wow, 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 wow. Impressive. Yeah, it was only $20 then. Yeah, yeah, it was. That's impressive. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Look at that. Every play in the momentum scanner closed green. Let's see. No. Na, 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 na. Wow, it's one of those beautiful circumstances. Habib, uh, MSAI, sure. In the coming few weeks, Solana AVAX. Yep. Yep. Anyways, very nice. LGMK back to the abyss. Sure. MSAI. Are you in this thing, Habib? What am I looking for? Are you in it? So it looks like it was up 13% when the market was open, and then it pushed again after hours, $3. What's your question? Did everybody buy AMC puts? Even wow. La, 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 la. The only thing that's dangerous about this, Habib, is look at the bid. The bid is at $2, and well, the bid is catching up now, but it's all over the place. All over the place there. Are you in it? Let me know if you are. Alrighty, virus. Have a wonderful evening. See you later. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. You're in at 255. Okay, that's not too bad. Then you're green in that position. So, yeah, I would just try not to go red. It looks okay, right? It's pushing after hours. You're getting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. I would watch those higher lows, Habib. Unless you're holding it for a swing play. If you're scalping this thing, I would watch those higher lows. Right? It's like it's straight giving you higher lows, right? Every candle is higher low. Every candle is higher low. So I would make sure that it keeps doing that. And if it's gonna go back to the abyss, then okay, leave it alone, right? Then leave it alone. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. La 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 la. Right? Why? You wanted to come back and message Mindy? Almost. Yeah. Almost. Uh uh Look at that, Habib. It's still giving you those higher lows, right? So uh la la la. You wanted to message Mindy? Well, maybe. Shoot your shot. Eddie, have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So, yeah, as long as you keep getting those higher lows, right? Just don't let it turn on you, right? The only scary thing is how like stupid the spread is. But it's pushing up still. La 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 la. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Impressive. Na, 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 na. Okay, let me go find that video again on how to play the momentum names. Someone's asking. Copy link. Perfect. Is a solid buy? Yeah, that thing's done well. AVAX. I mean, look at that beauty. Look at that daily chart on AVAX. Very similar to Solana, isn't it? Very similar. That thing looks amazing. Amazing. Amazing, Rob. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. 44.30 for AVAX. Wow. Hey, yo, Rob. See the chaos in the market?
Oh, it was good. It was good. It was so good. We were going crazy in the because we just sold, and it just kept going down and down and down and down. It was
Yeah.
like I was going crazy trying to find like my 15-minute chart and seeing like where's it gonna stop.
Yeah.
But I didn't have time. It kept going down, so I kept going. I kept. Then I have a funded account. Like I'm trying to get funded, right? So I'm almost
Yeah.
there. And I was like, wait a minute, I'm just gonna go on my live account. So I disconnected. I jumped right back onto my other live account, and so
Yeah.
to make some real money. You know what I mean? And then it kept going down. It was amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of people. So you guys made a lot of money here. We made a lot of money over there. That was good.
Yes. Money's all over the place, Rob, as usual.
Yeah. I did want to say for everybody not to worry. Like the market, just what was it going to happen? They needed to take these big market makers. They need to start making their profits now. You know what I mean? They start to taking out. And taking profits. I think after that big rally down, I think now then maybe tomorrow on is going to be very light, Blaze,
Yeah, yeah,
because
like into the holidays.
they took the market to newer highs, right? And
Yeah,
now they're just gonna retrace, but it's a higher high that's being created, a lower high,
yeah,
sorry,
yeah.
a higher low, Jesus,
Higher low.
a higher low that's being created. You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying? In the
yeah,
overall market, so to then go higher. I'm
yeah,
thinking.
exactly. Yeah, I mean, you look at those charts, like so extended. So something had to give at some point, you know.
What's up, everybody?
S-
Yeah, so that was really
So
good. Yeah, yeah, I had to. I mean, it was so overextended. All these days it kept going and going and going.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
I think that that was that little. Usually the center rallies like what, right? We have the center of crypto,
Yeah,
and then maybe the first week or something of January too.
yeah, exactly.
But POL went to what 10? Where did POL go to?
1085. I think we
That's
left
what.
at like three something.
But remember we looked and we said that daily chart, that daily was like so much that you told me, wait, calm down, Rob, don't say it, don't say it. But literally, there
I
was a lot of
know.
room to go up. It was a lot of room to
Yo,
go up to that.
yo, yo. It's always scary to say stuff like that because you don't expect it, but you know there's room on the damn thing, you know? And it actually
Awesome,
did it.
Jay.
Wow. Yeah.
Awesome, Jay.
It's actually yeah. $2.16.
Yeah,
Josh. Isn't that
that
crazy?
424 level
Yeah.
was the key level to break, and it
Yeah.
took off another.
Crazy. Jay says another crazy awesome day. Thanks, Blaze Rob for the fire. Made monies on Pole and Mara. That's amazing.
Nice. And Mara too, huh? Yeah, the crypto miners are doing good.
Yeah.
I know. I'm pretty sure they probably sold a bit off now, right? Because
Yeah.
where's my CLSK?
Yes.
We're at 10:56. Look at that.
Yeah.
When did we call
From $5.
CLSK?
Huh?
We called it at 5
Yes. Five.
or less, I think.
Yeah. And you were
Lower than that, I
spamming
think.
it. Josh was spamming it. It's hard to miss. Look at PRZO go. Wow. Interesting. $3. $3. Okay, that's why Rob said less than $3. $3 to $11, Josh. Wow.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Impressive. La, 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 la. I do like PRZO. I think, if the market wasn't closed, I think we'd be watching this a lot closer, but it's been bouncing up this stupid level all day today, Rob. But then it goes up and it fails at the same resistance. What happens if that thing was able to, if it broke above resistance? But the market is closed though.
I think they're just pumping it to there and dumping it and then going back in.
Yep. Yep. Criminals.
I think that thing's being used and abused.
Yep. Criminals. Yep, yep. Josh, yeah. Let's see.
Where's Bitcoin at?
Uh, just below, well, just above 43. Came back down a bit. Came back down a bit. Yeah, 43.6. So it's slowly creeping back up. Yeah,
Pump to
43.6.
44.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Send it above 44 and close it. Yeah, Pole is bouncing off a beautiful demand zone actually. $7 back to $8 off a beautiful demand zone.
And it's been higher than that then? How on the daily, or where has pulled?
Oh yeah, I think we looked at the daily the one time and it crushed it and we just never looked again. So my goodness, I think okay no they've done a split too so that changes things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that makes sense. Okay.
yeah, they've done a split. So that's a little bit annoying. Yeah.
It's that 200
Then
up there. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. The 200 would be the thing to look at. If that thing ever crossed $10 again, ooh, we talk about 14. The 214. No, 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 no. It's nice. Again, it's nice when you see something go into the demand zone, but you don't buy it, but you just watch it consolidate a little bit, and then you can make a decision after that. Because you can actually see that it's holding.
Hmm.
Uh, no, just the fake Elons, Ryan. Just the fake Elons. Since I've been gone, just the fake ones, Ryan. People that claim to be Elon. That's it.
Yep.
Yeah. Are you done work for the day, Rob?
I got one more email to send, but I'm like taking my time.
Okay. Yeah. I wonder if this would be but then again, like it's evening and not the best time to do futures, like a future stream. Like
Or
it's
right
been a
now?
long day. Yeah, it's been a long day, like work.
No, and I mean the move happened already.
Yeah.
The move, it's just gonna be boring now. But the move happened. Now
Yeah.
it's gonna just. I think honestly, it's gonna be very boring the next couple of days till
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Unless once again, I don't know. You never know. But this market's been
Unless
crazy
some,
lately.
yeah. Unless something crazy happens tomorrow, but yeah. Because I think the only we have data tomorrow as well, but I don't know if that's gonna do anything.
There's yeah. There's.
Yep.
Oh yeah, the GDP number is gonna be important though. Actually, you're right.
Yeah.
Hmm. And unemployment claims too. Hmm.
Yeah.
Well, the good thing is they took it to these, newer, 52-week highs and stuff. So
Yeah.
right before the end of the year, actually. So it could be
Yep.
interesting if they want to run it back up.
Yep. Yep. Maybe it's a good thing that they dropped it today. So
I think so. That's why I said, yeah, that would be nice because it's been already,
yeah.
they already picked up. They went higher, so now it just
Yeah.
it gives it room to go up.
Yeah. I think they dropped it too before like the Fed meeting, right? The day before the Fed meeting, they dropped it a little bit, and then we
Right.
and then that was history. That
And
level is so history.
you know what actually, you were the one that I think made me realize that for a bit, like finding those patterns,
Yeah.
and there is usually a pattern sometimes, like usually if you have even before earnings and stuff, when you have a dump,
Yeah.
it's I think it's more like they're just preparing, the they're preparing for good news, to run it
Yeah.
up, and then
Yeah.
sometimes if they're no, it's not going to be that good, they want to run, they want to take, they want to get it higher, get as much as they can.
Yeah. These criminals, always looking for
Yeah,
ways to get into something that they think
that's why I
they
said
can
we
make.
just got to know what they're doing and follow them, man. There's nothing else we can
Yeah.
do.
Yeah. Exactly.
Either that
Exactly.
or go.
Exactly. Let's see. La, la, la. Interesting. Let us know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off. And yeah, let me see. Let us know. Let us know if you have any last questions already. Well, yes, when AMC squeeze, like back in the day when Jesus said, I'm going back to heaven to prepare a place for my people.
Uh-huh.
When when he comes back and he's taking his people, AMC will still be left in the abyss.
Damn, that's cruel.
So uh, unfortunately, I don't know what to tell you.
There was some news that came out yesterday too about they said something about global box office. they're
Uh-huh.
expecting the global box office to drop 5% this year, and then
Oh
right
wow.
after they put that's not good for AMC and
It's not.
I'm like, what else can they get hit by? Jesus.
Exactly. Exactly. I don't know. Yeah. You were supposed to sell those damn puts, Musty. So you're up 100% on those puts, unless you just keep them and it keeps crashing. Then that's fine too. Yeah, Rob is also waiting for the squeeze.
They
Rob
better
is waiting.
squeeze before December 31st because
Yep.
right click sell.
Yep. A squeeze or write off is either way. That's okay. Squeeze it or take it to 2 pennies. Any chance of movement to the upside? Yeah, there's a chance, Gabe. It's fighting. It's actually fighting. So yeah, there's a chance. I'm not sure what your entry price is, but I bet you your entry price is good. So I don't think anybody bought the stock above $1.30. So you should be green on that play. So you're just hoping, right? So yeah. Oh, there it goes. 235, $1.35. $1.35. What a stupid stock. See, I said earlier, like I like the damn thing because it's been holding all day, but it doesn't want to break out. But then it's trying to do it after hours, which is so stupid. A shock drop. Yeah. Will be kicked out. Yeah. No, I think they like Adam Aaron. He's done well for them. If I was like part of the team, the board or something, I would high five Adam Aaron. High five. Good job. Uh because he's making the monies. He's not making retail monies, but he's making insiders monies and all the shorts. I want the Bobe algo. What do I do after you pay on the link? So you can message Rob or myself the link to your TradingView username, or you can just include your username in when you pay for it.
It's yeah, when you pay for it, it says to put the name, and then once I see it, I'll do it quick. I'm here on the computer, so we can set it up.
Yeah. Yes. So there you go. Speed dial. Exactly, Musty. Yeah, if you're shorts or insiders, you're probably happy with Adam Aaron. Very happy. Very happy. Let's see. No last questions, guys. No last questions. Okay, fine. Have a wonderful evening, guys. It's nice when Rob comes on more, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It
Thank
is.
you. I appreciate it.
It is. Anyways, Musty, good night. See you in Discord. Bunny, see you in Discord. Jay, have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful evening. Gabe, hopefully that thing does well for you. I think you're green in that position, right? Ryan, good to see you again. Be safe. Good evening. Josh, much love. Have a good evening. Who
Josh,
else is here? Alrighty, guys. Bye, all. Bye,
bye.
guys. Bye, Mina. Bye.